Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the recording option in Microsoft Teams. It's super quick and easy, so let's get started. So first, open up Chrome and search for Microsoft Teams. Once the Microsoft site loads, sign into your account. I'm skipping that part because I already signed in, but go ahead and sign in if you haven't yet. So once that's done, launch Microsoft Teams and click on Meet Now. Type in your name, then click on Get a Link to Share. Copy that link and send it to anyone you want to join the meeting. Now, click Start Meeting, then join to enter. So quick tip, make sure you've got a good mic and solid internet for the best recording quality. So before you hit record, don't forget to always let people know you're recording. It's the polite and sometimes required thing to do. So after that, once you're inside the meeting, just click the More button, the 3 dots, then select Record and Transcribe. And finally, hit Start Recording. And that's it. The meeting is now being recorded. Thanks for watching.